In this video, traders are going to look at trading the cryptocurrencies through CoreSpreads. Stay tuned. Hey guys, a warm welcome to you. Alright, so this video is sponsored by our channel sponsor, which is CoreSpreads. A link to them is in the description below. If you're interested in checking them out for CFDs, spread betting, go and take a look. Link is there and go and see if they're right for you. But in this video, we're going to look at their cryptocurrency offering. We're going to look and see what cryptocurrencies you can trade, what sort of margin requirements, what sort of spread, how we place a trade, and all those kind of good things. Good for you cryptocurrency guys. All right, let's just go to the screen and check it out. All right, so I've got the CoreSpreads, their native platform, or their kind of their own platform, if you like. They do offer MT4. However, if you want to trade crypto, you're going to be on the CoreSpreads CoreTrader 2 platform. So I've got a live and a demo. Now, the difference between the live and the demo, obviously apart from the money, is that so far I've found you can't place alerts in the demo. So if you want to use alerts, get yourself a live account. Like I say, link in the description below. Go and check it out. There's no minimum to open an account. So cryptocurrency, let's have a look. I'm going to stay on the demo just in case I put through something I didn't really want to put through, and I just want to show you guys what it's all about anyway. We're not particularly trading this. So on the Market Explorer on the left hand side, give me the option to go to what I want. I'm going to go to cryptocurrency all, and I've already got this up, but these are the three cryptos they offer: Bitcoin rolling spot, Ether rolling spot, and Ripple rolling spot. Now, rolling spot generally just means that every evening, probably 10 o'clock, if you can check on the information tab here, we'll go through that in a moment. It's going to roll over. It's going to charge me a cost to carry the trade overnight because I'm trading on margin. So on this information tab, and always check that out, guys, before you start trading an instrument, just to make sure you're trading the right thing and everything's happy. So trading hours, tells me my trading hours. Obviously, it looks like it closes for 5 minutes from 10 o'clock when they do the roll, and that's when you'll be charged your cost to carry over. Just for an example, actually, I've been messing around on this platform, and I'm just going to show you the all-time here. So I had a euro trade on, and you can see it adds the funding charge in the evening, kind of 10 seconds after 10 o'clock or whatever it may be. So you'll be charged for the whole day as it rolls over to the next day. However, if you are day trading crypto, you won't get any charge. It's only if you hold a position overnight. Right, so a Bitcoin rolling spot, let's have a look at that. I should go back to the information and see what we've got here. So current spread is 60 points or pips, however you want to call it. I don't know what you call it in crypto, ticks. I prefer ticks. I'm a kind of tick guy, but you FX guys might want to call it in pips. But anyway, that's the spread. And basically all that means is, whatever you call it, ticks, pips, points, just means that, if you're £1 a point, then your spread is 60 points, and if it moves 1,000 points in your direction, you make £1,000, etc. So that's all that matters. No matter what you call it, you just know there's a unit of measurement. It's specifically for your spread betting. We're in a spread betting account here at the moment. Deposit multiple expiry, rolling stops. Rolling. It's the rolling spot. A guaranteed stops not allowed. Shame, but you can understand that from a commercial decision. These cryptos are crazy at some times, and it just says that the trades are rolled over each night, etc. So, and there's a little disclaimer here: spread and margin requirement indicative and may vary according to a trade size and market. So there's just a disclaimer that says, hey, listen, if you're going to put big size on, or if the market conditions change, then they may reserve the right to adjust it. And for something like crypto, I get it. So let's have a look what happens. So trade button, you click on that, comes the order ticket. And here's just a standard order ticket. It's the same for all the instruments you're trading. You've got the name of the instrument here. You've got the amount you're going to trade. You click buy or sell to kind of preload the ticket if you like. And let's just kind of dial it down to a sensible size here. And it's going to show the estimated margin. Now you can trade 50p a point, so you can do just 50p if you want. Your margin there is going to be 2955. Let's just double check that on the live. Now DMD is because it's demo money. Let's check it on the live account as well. So if we go to trade and we go to 0.5 and we stick it on a buy, so £2,953, because this live account is a sterling GBP account, and that matches up with our demo account here. So that's how much margin you're going to have to put up for that. So rather than having to buy one whole Bitcoin or whatever, you're going to get some kind of leverage here with this. So what I want to do, I can have a stop or limit. So let's say I want to do a price. Let's say I think Well, actually, before I do that, I'd want to kind of do some analysis, right? No one's going to just punt away on crypto. So we'll get a Bitcoin rolling spot chart up. We use the button there to open the chart. I like to just personally put it in the new browser tab, so I've got it in a full screen, whether on a laptop or multiple screens, doesn't matter, just makes it a little bit better. I'm gonna get rid of this trade for now, this trade thing now. You can trade from within the chart, which is quite handy, but for now I'm gonna get rid of it. Kind of do a bit of due diligence here and go, right, what do I want to do? Well, let's say I wanted to go long here for whatever reason, and I wanted to have a stop at 11-12.50. Great. I don't forget, guys, I can mess around with this chart. I can put it on an hourly, I can put it on a daily. There's plenty of parameters I can use, and I've done a kind of video talking about the CoreSpreads, a drawing tool, and indicators and stuff on there. But there's plenty of indicators, which they call studies, that you can put on there. So if you wanted to put Bollinger Bands on here, you could do that as well. So let's say I wanted to go long, I want to have a stop at 11-250. I can either trade from the chart, I can go back to the platform itself, hit my trade button, put my buy. On my stop at 11-250. That would be my sell stop. I just want a normal sell stop. I don't need to be trailing. I can do if I want. 537 points away. You can see how that dynamically changes. If I'm inputting the stop at a kind of absolute price in there, that will dynamically change. If I put the points in there, then obviously the price is going to dynamically change. Now, make sure my ticket is the right size. You can change the default settings here, and on Bitcoin, I'm going to change it to 0.5 because 5's pretty hefty. And I can use a hedging button if I like. That allows me just to open 2 trades in the same instrument if I want to do some hedging strategies. Okay, so there's my ticket loaded up. It's primed. I've got my stop in. I'm not going to put a limit in for this, and I'm going to fire it away. Bang, I'm in, I'm long. It gives me confirmation. It's a buy, Bitcoin rolling, etc., etc., etc. I can print it off if I need to, go back, or I can go now, close the ticket to my open positions. I've got this kind of Euro one that I've just had here for a while, just messing around with it, but this Bitcoin rolling spot is now open, and it will give me, I can hover over that without having to actually do anything. It gives me some information about it, time it was placed, notional value, good till cancelled, etc., 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 and it gives me the current P&L. Obviously I've just opened it up now, and the spread was around 60, right? So that makes sense. It's ticked down a little bit. Got my stop in place. I can amend my stop from here if I like. So let's say I want to kind of move it up a bit. Market's moved in my direction, move it up also. I can do that, hit submit, and it's going to change the stop. I can close the ticket. Right up, margin requirement here, and all other useful information. And then if I want to close the trade, I can just click the X button here from here, and I can just submit and close the trade. So it's close the trade. That's done. That's locked in. I can do transaction history, and you're able to see the trade close. And this one was a loser, obviously, just because we were playing around, and that was the spread. So that's Bitcoin. Let's check that. So the spread on that was 60 points, right? Let's have a look at Ether. Ether, the same kind of thing. So don't forget, guys, because it's a smaller priced instrument, the notional value is smaller. We can still trade 50p a point here, but our deposit is going to be way less. So we can trade that. Obviously, the movements aren't going to be as wild, and you get it accordingly, but we can do it that way. Same with Ripple as well. We can still trade 50p a point and look at the deposit. So that means we can be a bit more flexible with this. If we want to trade kind of 12, 15 pounds a point or something, it's still not going to cost us too much. Same kind of procedure. Let's have a look and see actually what the spread is with this. So Ether, the spread is 3, and Ripple, the spread is 0.5, and just look how it's calculated effectively. So it's 32.7 to 33.2. You can see the open positions here, and I can close those at any time. And the same kind of procedure as well for doing my charting. You want to do a quick chart or a quick trade from the chart, I can do it from within this thing, in this window here within the CoreSpreads platform, or I can pop it out into a new tab as before. So guys, that is trading crypto with the Core Trader 2 platform on CoreSpreads. Go and check them out, link in the description below. See you next one, take care, bye bye.